it's Jenny from OrigamiTree bringing you free crafty fun all year round. And today we're going to be learning how to make an origami heart cat bookmark. So if you've been on this channel before, you know that I love cats, I love hearts, and I love designing origami bookmarks. So of course I'm going to mash the three together. But before we jump into the video, if you're new to this channel, please become a crafty friend by hitting the subscribe button and also turning on those notifications so you'll be notified when new videos come out. And without further ado, let's jump right in. To make the cat heart bookmark, you're going to need a square sheet of paper. First, take your sheet of paper and flip it around so the color side is facing down towards the table. Then fold the entire thing in half. Fold it in half again. And unfold. Then take the bottom side and align it to the horizontal center crease. And unfold. Now let's open everything up again. And we're going to take notice of the top crease right over here. So this one over here, you're going to take the center crease, pinch it in, and then fold this side to that top crease and flatten. So now from the side it should look like this. Now let's take this bottom right hand corner and we're going to fold it diagonally. And do the same thing on this side. Unfold and unfold. Then right at where that triangle ends, so this point over here, you're going to take the top flap and fold it over. And then flatten that triangle that you just made. So like that. Crease that in. Do the same thing on this side, so you're going to fold this over. And as you're folding this over at the very top, you're going to flatten that triangle at the bottom. Now let's fold this little flap straight up. And then we're going to fold this part diagonally. So you're going to fold it like this, so that this side aligns with that horizontal center crease. Do the same thing here. And we're shaping the bottom of the cat's head right now. So fold that over and crease it in. Fold that little flap straight down again. Next, take the top side and fold it to that first crease right here. Then fold the entire thing in half. Unfold. And now let's take this flap and fold it diagonally along the center point and also this corner right here. So now we're creating the cat's ear. Now let's take this flap and fold it back. And do the same thing on this side. Flip the entire thing around. And now we're going to take this side over here, this bottom right hand corner, and fold it diagonally and align it with this vertical center crease as well as this horizontal crease here. Do the same thing over here and flip it around. Now draw in the cat's face. And now just slip the bookmark into a book. Thanks so much for watching and for being a crafty friend. If you aren't a crafty friend already, be sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications so you'll be alerted when new videos come out. Leave your comments below letting me know what you'd like me to design next and whether you're a cat person or a dog person. I think I've asked this question before in some of my other videos and it was kind of a tie, so let's see if we can break that tie. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!